also learned this morning authorities are investigating a reported recording of the jury ahead of them arriving at the courthouse. Fox 6's Bill Miston joins us with what we know so far on that. Bill?
Good evening, Mary. What we do know is that the Kenosha County Sheriff's Department is investigating the matter. This morning, we learned that a reported recording of the jury had taken place. A deputy had spotted someone video recording the jury whose privacy and security is paramount, but especially in such a high-profile case.
This morning at the pickup, there was someone there and was video recording the jury.
Judge Bruce Schrader saying Tuesday morning that officers approached the person, requiring them to delete the video before returning the cell phone. Judge Bruce Schrader saying the sheriff's office had been instructed that if it happens again, to take whatever recording device it may be. Rittenhouse defense attorney Mark Richards.
Has that person been showing up to court, Your Honor?
You know, I don't know the answer to that.
It's unclear who the person was. The sheriff's department says it's investigating this information and working with the courts. The clerk of court saying it's been kept abreast of all potential juror security issues that are being closely monitored by the sheriff's department. The protection and secrecy of jurors critical during any trial. Media and the public prohibited from showing or taking any photos or video of jurors.
You are in a very high profile, internationally highly profiled case. And you're afraid. There are people on both sides of the arguments that are very passionate, and it's about violence.
Some states and the federal government have laws that explicitly include jurors as a part of witness intimidation laws. In Wisconsin, there isn't. There is, however, laws against communicating with jurors, and attorney Michael Maselman says that could be verbal or nonverbal, like in this case.
By videotaping them, been able to identify them, and the jurors seeing that they're being videotaped has a chilling effect upon them, clearly.
Maselman says this is an area of law he feels should be addressed by the legislature to include juror protections. Now, if found guilty of communicating with jurors, that is a felony, and a person could face up to 6.5 years in prison and fines no more than $10,000. And Mary, this is something that we're going to be keeping tabs on and following, and we'll be sure to bring updates as soon as we learn more. Back to you.
An interesting aspect in this trial. All right, Bill, thank you for that.